In this video, we'll see about Git Stash. Ever made the changes in your code, but suddenly if you want to switch the branches, or if you want to pull the latest updates without committing your new changes, that's where Git Stash comes in. Something like a temporary storage or a clipboard where you can save your work and or pull other works or work on that. And if you want to change the branches also, you can change. So, why we use the Git Stash? There are some reasons. Sometimes if you want to switch the branches and if you want to work on other branches without committing our new changes, we'll use the Git Stash. Another usage of Git Stash is clear working directory. Whenever we want to pull the new changes from the other developer main, that time we save our new changes in our temporary storage, and then we'll pull the request and work on that. Also, sometimes if you don't want to store our new changes and if you want to work on also on the same working directory or other branches, at that time it comes in. There are some Git commands, basic Git command. First one is Git Stash. It will save our all the modified files in our temporary storage. Okay. Second one is Git Stash list. It will list all the stashes which we have stored in our temporary file location. This will apply the most recent one or most recent update, or that it will reapply on our code base. Git Stash pop, it will apply the most recent stash and remove that from the storage. There are some best practice for the Git Stash. We have to name our stashes before applying, or we have to give message. Don't use too much stashing and all things. And also we have to clean up regularly temporary storage. It should not be over. Also, we need to stash always before pulling from the remote, preventing the ball conflict. You can see one example of this. For example, currently we are on a bug fix branch. If we do the changes on here, and if you want to switch the branch to main without committing anything, then it will ask for a stash or something. At that time, we can use this stash. We can store it in a temporary location and with the branch. We can use the terminal as well as we can use this. Not for message. So giving the message, it will store that new change in a Git Stash. Okay, if we want to put that, we can use the command Git Stash. It will list on the Git Stashes which we have done, and now we can move to other branch. If you want to put that, we can move and we can do changes here. We can commit the changes. And we can go back to that fixed branch and we can apply a Git Stash from here also, or we can use a visual thing. We can use a Git Stash. This will pop out the Git Stash. It will reapply the temporary storage we have stored, and it will remove it from the list stash. If you see, as you can see, the latest stash is removed from the list. Thank you.